Hi neighbors, this is Eric with Graybeard Gardening. Got a cat coming up to say hi. Let's take a look at our boy here. This is my good boy. Handsome, introduce yourself. This is Sweet Pea. He's my big 19-pound cat. Anyways, he's messing up the shot right now, but we'll let him do that. Today, guys, we're gonna go ahead and just give you a quick little update on my strawberries because I want to eat them, but I got to take some video before I actually, eat those things. So at this point, today I'm heading to Portland Nursery, one of my favorite places to go. This is Memorial Day weekend. I'm gonna get there before the crowds and get everything that I need left. A few more heirloom tomatoes that I'm looking for, another cherry tomato or two, and a couple other things. But today I'm going to give you the update on the strawberries, maybe an update on some of the radishes that are popping right now, and maybe a few other things. But I'm really impressed with my strawberries and what they've been doing this season. So really looking forward to showing you everything. So let's just get down to it. All right, guys. Time for the reveal. And how we doing, guys? All right, so you can see some really nice strawberries coming in right there. Really big too. Really big strawberries. And I'm just gonna turn this around for you so you can see the whole thing. More strawberries there. Just a little bit. See all the strawberries there. And we got another bunch hiding right over here. That one's kind of ugly. We're gonna pick that one. We're just gonna eat it right now. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yummy. All right, let's take a look at some of the other ones. We're gonna eat these right away, or at least a couple of them. And then we're gonna save the rest for Oliver on Sunday. All right, guys, so that first one was our Sweet Sunrise strawberries. And this is an Albion here. You can see that big honker right there. Super dense and heavy. Got a few more there. And we'll just turn this baby around. And then we got a few more right there. So this season, I've been pruning off all of the runners that are developing. And on about half my plants, I pruned off early flowers. These ones were developed enough that I did not do that. So we've got some good fruit going to start. But really impressed with what we're doing. And we've been giving a decent amount of acidifying nutrients and fertilizer. And we have also been giving a lot of bone meal to go ahead and help with flower development. So that's kind of our approach. We're going to get another strawberry in the shot here so you can see more. That's one of the Albions. All right, guys. This is another one of the Sweet Sunrises. This is one of the runners from last year that got taken from the original plant you saw here of Sweet Sunrise. So this is a first year flowering plant. But I wanted to show you guys. Oh, look at those. This one especially, just a chonker. Just a big old chonker. But you can see we've got more hiding right over here. Got some straw that was wanting to come up there. But you can see the way we've been feeding these and giving them the specialty berry food along with some bone meal has really been doing the trick. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and hand record this here just to show you the big Albion. We got some nice strawberries hiding down in here. Got more over there. You can see, this is the early season. You can see we got one back here that needs to be picked out so it doesn't make everything else rot. Look at that. Yucky. But we got a bunch more where that came from. Well, that one needs to go. We'll give that one to the squirrels. But yeah, you see just how many fruit we're getting out of this one. Trying to keep these all from getting messed up in any way. Sitting here above some of the strawberries, we got one of the chonkers off of the Sweet Sunrise first year plant right below us. I left the biggest one there, hopefully to wait until tomorrow for Oliver. Remember that when you get older, Oliver, when you need to take care of me, I gave you the big strawberry. But let's take a look at how this looks on the inside. Oh my gosh, you guys. Pure sweetness. Ah. And honestly, such a unique flavor profile from those Sweet Sunrises. I don't know how to describe it. It's almost a little smoky, to be honest with you. Really yummy. But you can see what we're dealing with here. Some really nice strawberry plants and all that, just from feeding them and babying them properly. You can see that chonker that's left in there for Oliver. Oh yeah. One more shot. One of the strawberry plants across the garden, producing some beautiful strawberries. Try to keep them up off the ground so they don't get rotted. But then we've got another one here that has got some real good starts going on it, as you can see. And our blueberries are going a little crazy again with that special berry tone that we get, or berry fertilizer. It acidifies the soil more so that it helps these types of plants. You can see we're even starting to get some blueberries on my little small one that doesn't put out very much. This one here, always been a problem child. Unfortunately, probably gonna yank that one out. I might even do that today, who knows. But as you can see, guys, the berries are all doing really healthy. Like I said, about half of them, we've just been pruning off quite a few of the flowers and the runners just to make sure that they fill out. And you can see these two over here were way behind this one here. And I believe that's a Sweet Sunrise we're looking at right there. I'll have to double check. But these two were way behind, and we started plucking the flowers and the runners, and just look at how well they've caught up. So good techniques shared to you by other gardeners and ones that I'm using now. That's about it for today, guys, or at least on the strawberries. I'm going to go off to Portland Nursery now and try to go get all the stuff that I need that I have not grown myself.